Welcome to another episode of Primal TV. In this short bite-sized video, I'll be explaining how easy it is to take fermented cod liver oil with a few options for you and your family. As mentioned in the last video, I use the Green Pasture brand of fermented cod liver oil. There are a few options with Green Pasture. They have the fermented cod liver oil plain or with flavours added to make it a little bit more enjoyable to take, or you can get the butter oil blends in capsule form or in liquid as well. So why is cod liver oil mixed with butter? Well, butter from grass-fed cows, fed nothing but really healthy lush pasture, is high in vitamin K2. Now, Weston A. Price discovered a while ago that this, in conjunction with the vitamin A and K in fermented cod liver oil, works synergistically in the body. So you can choose to get butter oil blends from Green Pasture in tablet form in capsules or in liquid form, and taken by itself is the mixture of the vitamin K2 from the grass-fed butter and the vitamin A and K in the fermented cod liver oil. So that's an all-in-one option. A lot of people choose this, but if you're like me and you don't consume dairy that still has the milk in it, then the other option is to simply mix the other varieties of cod liver oil with ghee. That's how I do it. So I get the orange flavoured fermented cod liver oil. That's my favourite flavour out of all the flavours you can choose from. Just grab a little cup. If you've got some juice in the fridge, grab some of that, put that in a little cup or a little medicine shot glass like this, and I use grass-fed ghee instead of butter. It's not as high in vitamin K2 as pure butter, but it's a good option when you're not able to have butter for the dairy in it. So I just mix those three together and swallow it all in one go. At the moment it's winter here, so the ghee is really solid. There's no point melting it down. I just make sure it's floating in the juice and the cod liver oil, and I swallow it all in one go. It's not too much, so it's easy to swallow. Or you can simply get your cod liver oil into the syringe, however much that you're wanting to take, and point it to the back of your throat, so past your tongue, and push the syringe so all the liquid's going straight down your throat, and that's another way to get it down. Or if you're not adding it with ghee or butter, you can just mix it with a little bit of juice, and that will be a little bit easier to swallow. The juice is often a great idea for kids who really don't like the flavour of fermented cod liver oil. Even if you bought them the chocolate flavour, they're still not happy to have it. The juice can take the edge off. Some people add lemon juice as well to that, just to really take the edge of the intensity off the flavour of the cod liver oil. It's up to you, but the point of having the fat like ghee or butter is to, as I said before, help the vitamin A and K in the cod liver oil work well when they go in your body. So there you go. They're the ways to take cod liver oil easily and effectively for you and your family's health. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, found it beneficial, please give it a like so we know that you're enjoying our content, and share it with your friends and family that might benefit from this.